Hi, my Raveners, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Croft Castle. I'm finally here. It's in Leominster. Yeah, Leominster. We're just heading up to the castle now. There is the beautiful castle on the outside, and the church there. It looks even better in person. I'm really excited to go inside. Just look at it. Grounds are beautiful. These big doors. Look. Big handle. Amazing. Beautiful mirror. The candles. Gorgeous. And all these beautiful portraits. This is Frances Dyer, 1720, daughter of Sir Herbert Croft. And this is Robert Dyer of Lingathen, 1720. Look at this. Now this kind of reminds me of Resident Evil in a way. If you know, you know. It's beautiful. I love all the portraits. Very detailed. And this is Margaret Oakley, 1720, daughter of Sir Croft, 1st Bart. Beautiful. Very pretty. I think I like this one the best. Absolutely gorgeous. This one is France Lady Croft, wife of 2 Bart, 1725. Oh, look at these. Look at the dining chairs. Look at that. That is so cool. So cool. I absolutely adore the frame on this one. This is Sir Archard Demon Croft, 8th Bart, 1850. Look at this room. It's something out of a dream. It's perfect in every way. Just look at it. Gorgeous. Every detail is amazing. Old music. Mozart, look. All the pattern on the sofas, fireplace, the just incredible details are amazing. A lot of homes are like this nowadays. It's just beautiful. I literally feel like I'm in a film right now. Beautiful library. It's kept safe by these, as you can tell, them grates. It is a gorgeous library, and also to stop people from touching them. This beautifully crafted clock. All the detail. It's amazing. I wish I had a clock like this at home. And then candle holder. In the same sort of detail as the dining chairs we saw outside. And for weighing, for letters, a portrait of John Van Berg, I think it is, and this beautiful little box. Now I don't know what this was used for. There isn't anything down below, so let me know in the comments if you know what this is. But it is very pretty and very detailed. And you have this, which could be another candle holder, and it kind of looks like it has jesters on it, but not jesters, just very interesting bright colours with a gold trim. And a wooden box with a shell. I don't know if we can open it, so I'm not going to attempt to open it. And an old photo from back in the day. Shows you just how much things change over time. It's impressive how that door would close. Door would close and then you wouldn't even know there was a door there. That's awesome. This mirror is beautiful. Wow. It's beautiful. I can tell you now, it doesn't show on camera how beautiful this is in real life. It's amazing. All China to the Princess Charlotte. Just look at that. It's impressive. Even though it's never wallpaper I would choose, it works in this room. This room is just so pretty and vibrant. It's just on another level. I think it's one of the most favourite rooms in here that I like. And also the marble on both of these wooden chest drawers, I would say. Marble's beautiful. Yes. Gorgeous. They're beautiful. Beautiful stairs. Look at this room. It is so detailed. Everything is placed intentionally. It's gorgeous. The detail, carvings in the wall, everything is just gorgeous. I love the detail / carvings on the wall, on the ceiling, I mean. I didn't even notice. I just looked up. I love the wood on the walls. I love the sofas. I just love how the room is set up. You got the big fireplace. Love the painting. Beautiful car, beautiful fabric where you get changed behind. And someone's playing the piano that you can voluntarily play. Oh look, that's a fabric tapestry. Again, I'm talking as much as I can in this video, guys. But when you're around other people, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, as I was trying, what I was trying to get onto was this. This impressive clock dates back from 16,000s and was pre-made in the important clockmaking centre of Augsburg. Beautiful it is. And then we have a beautiful painting of Croft Castle right there. Just, again, I can't get over how beautiful these rooms are, how, again, intentionally detailed, beautiful, just really well made. Oh, I think that might be a crack in the wood there. They did say that they're going to need to make some, fix some things. The stonework is crumbling. They need to fix some things to improve it, but this is definitely a place worth improving. Apparently this is the blue room, and these decorated with panels that are said to have been recycled from Standard Park in Resnorshire. Beautiful room, very pretty. I just love the detail, the panels, and the ceiling, no less. Gorgeous. Every room that I go into amazes me more and more and more and more. It's extraordinary, it's amazing, it's unique, it's special, it's impressive. Very impressive. Little, well, not little, look at this big clock. Carving, the painting, just the detail, look. And cool, but also a bit creepy. Very cool. Beautiful dioramas. To show you the grounds. We're going to go to the gardens in a minute, but we're going to check out the church first. The outside of it. Just with the outside, I mean. Muddling my words, just some of the outside thing. Just fields and fields and fields. I'm going to go in here now. Mitchell's Church Croft. This is the church. I love the stained glass windows. This is only part of it. See, I love how there's so much detail on everything. From the church, from the Croft Castle, everything. And I assume this is in loving memory of Catherine Age, wife of Sir Herbert Archer Croft, 10th Harbonate of Croft Castle. She died in her sleep on the night of November the 30th, 1966, age 88 years old. Fair. I just don't make things like this anymore. I really don't. This is what I admire the most, because this would have taken days, months, maybe even years, probably years, to create these things. And these types of carvings, buildings, the unique markings are irreplaceable. Irreplaceable. This tomb is to the memory of Sir Richard Croft, Sheriff of Herefordshire, 1471, 72, 77, 89, founded at Mortimer's Cross, 1461, Tewkesbury. So this is a tomb of him, but I don't know if what I read before is for the lady as well, because there's not just him on this tomb, so maybe it's both. So I might be right on both accounts, hopefully. And parts of the roof, the wooden beams, just beautiful shape of the windows, where you'd sit. It's massive. It's got a very tall ceiling. And the old-fashioned wooden door. Again, and the organ. It's just, again, it's irreplaceable. These places, they don't make places like this anymore, rarely, that are this detailed, that take this time. Mean by that is a lot of things are commercialized, meaning they have to go up really quickly. Flats, houses, you know what I mean? They have to go up really quickly, they have to be built really fast. But these type of places took time, they took years to perfect, to be exquisite. And I'm glad that we still have places like this that we can come and visit. We can come and see how it was to live in that era and how things were carved, made on purpose, and just how beautiful they were. It's the back of Croft Castle. We're just going to have a look around a bit more. So before we continue, I apologise for being very, very quiet. It's very, very hard sometimes, as I explained in my video yesterday if you haven't watched it, that it's very hard to film in front of people. It is very nerve-wracking, it's very stressful, because also you don't want to interfere with people's experience, but at the same time you want to film things. So hopefully, because I'm in the gardens, we can film a bit more. It can be a bit more loud. But I generally don't like to disturb people when they're doing stuff. So genuinely, the only time I can be loud is when there's less people around, but I was surrounded by a lot of people. So what I will do, and you'll probably notice this obviously because you will be already watching that part of the video, is I'll turn it up. But we are going to walk the gardens and glass house. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's also peaceful. You see, in these type of places, you're away from busy roads, and you can just hear the birds, and it's peaceful. Very peaceful. Apple or pear trees. You can see that there are rows and rows of them. They've got beautiful flowers. I know I've said it before, but I like how peaceful it is. When your mind is racing and there's so much going on in your personal life or finances or struggles. Sometimes it's nice to come to places like this where you can just switch off a bit and find a sense of peace, sense of calm, sense of serenity. We're going to be going around the rest of it in a bit, but we're going to head to the glass house. There's the glass house. It's a lot bigger than I expected. A lot bigger. And they've made a circle of twigs interlocked, some more filled in gaps with grass leaves. This house dates from 1908 and was made by J. Wigley and Co. Botanical Engineers, London. That's impressive. Very impressive. Let's look at all the beautiful plants. Just take it in, guys. Take it in. You know what they say? Seeing some form of greenery in nature every day helps with your mental health. So I am showing you all the greenery I can. All I can. Oh, it's a lily. I actually have a peace lily at home. It is not doing as good as this one. Oh look, even has their name on it, look. People we were just talking about that made this glass house. Those are one of my favourites. I love those plants. And I'm not saying the name because I cannot remember. It's just so pretty. So peaceful. And then we have some plants in the ground here. Some more plants here. And here. And of course the plants are not for sale because it's for the grounds. It's just beautiful. There's not much more I can say about it, it's just gorgeous. And this room is empty. Keep closed. Please don't open. So I have no idea what's in there, but you're not allowed to open it, so I don't know. Moving onwards, I want you to take a second with me to just listen and enjoy the calm. Go through this door. It's private, but I'm at least going to show you what I can see through it. Looks like some woods. Some more greenery. There's bluebells. Look at all the bluebells. So pretty. I love bluebells. I love how vibrant they are. Gorgeous. Point of view of the gardens for you. What you basically do is you start around here and it goes in a giant square. That's just where I was when I sat on the bench with you a minute ago. But there's so many beautiful flowers, you can hear the birds, there's bumblebees, there's trees. It's just amazing. I can't not say how amazing it is, and I know I've said that multiple times, but it is such a beautiful garden and such a peaceful place. Gardens are called Whaled Gardens. Whaled Gardens is about 2 acres in size, has been in constant cultivation from when the walls were built in 1801. The whole garden at Croft is around 9 acres in size, and it's cared for by 2 gardeners, a small team of enthusiastic volunteers. We hope you enjoy your visit. Well, I certainly enjoyed walking around, and I didn't even notice that there's a little pond. With lily pads. And a nice little bench for you to sit on and admire the pond. I'm not going to get too close, because I know what I'm like. I'm clumsy, and know me, I'll end up falling in. So I'm not going to go and look at that. But yeah, it's a nice little quaint place. What's this? I keep noticing things as we're heading out of the gardens. There's this. Now, I don't know what this is. If you want to tell me in the comments, that'd be great. I could make some guesses, but I highly believe I would be very wrong. But all the paths, 3 paths go to this. Don't know what it is, but it looks cool, and it definitely fits the aesthetic of the garden. Definitely. But we're going to go and look for the cafe now and get ourselves a drink. We came into the old stables, which I thought I would show you, because this is not the cafe, but it's always nice to explore a bit more of things back in time. This is the old stables for the horses. You have some stuff in there. I'm not quite sure what that is. It says Croft Castle 1843, but I really don't know what that is. Saddles. I'm not sure what that is either, but I have no clue. But if you know what that is, obviously tell me in the comments what it is, because I would like to know myself what it is. But let's finally go and find the cafe. But yeah, it's pretty. It's a gorgeous cafe. Very pretty view, and I am having tea. Back at the car. I really enjoyed my time there. It was amazing. I love the fact that the building is very much intact. There is a lot there. It is very well maintained, and they're still trying to fix it. They're still trying to build stuff up. I've gone to many of these places, and they are very broken down, and there is not a lot there. And obviously, I'm not saying that's good or bad. They're trying to restore those things, but it's very nice to go to a place where You are literally walking into a time capsule, and the furniture and the tapestries and the statues and the busts and the wallpaper is all exactly as it was meant to be. That is beautiful. And how detailed and on point it was for that place, and how they decorated it. The gardens were beautiful. It was a very, very peaceful place. Even when I was surrounded by people and a bit nervous, it was such a peaceful place. There were people in a couple of the rooms that were giving information, asking you if you needed any help. It was a very comfy, happy, very friendly place, if that makes sense. Everybody made you feel welcome, if that makes sense. Yes, I got some looks, but that just happens. That is the way things go wherever I go. But yeah, I would definitely recommend going to this castle. I really, really would. It was an amazing place to go and see, and the gardens were gorgeous. So, I love you guys. You're amazing. You're wonderful. Never stop being you. And I'll see you next video, Ravenous. Bye!